My name is Samantha Barker. I am 58 years old. I live alone in my small house in Liverpool. My husband died 10 years ago. I have only one son. His name is James. James went to the US many years ago. Now he lives there with his wife, Lily, and 2 children. He has a big life. He has a big house, a good job, a car, and many friends. He is very happy, but I live here alone. Every morning I wake up early. I make tea for myself. I sweep the floor. I clean the windows. I dust the shelves. I cook a small meal, enough for one person. In the evening, I sit near the window. I watch people passing by. They walk with their children, with their families. I sit alone. Nobody comes to see me. James does not call me much. Sometimes he sends me money. Sometimes he says, "Mother, I will come soon." But he never comes. Still, I wait for him. I look at the phone. I look at the door. My heart hopes every day. One evening, I was cooking soup. Suddenly, there was a knock on the door. I opened it. It was James. My heart stopped. I said, "James, you really came?" He smiled. He looked happy and tired. I hugged him. My eyes were full of tears. I held him close, afraid he might disappear. I made tea for him. We sat down. I asked, "How is Lily? How are the children?" He said, "They are all fine." His voice was warm. Then I asked, "Why did you come?" He looked into my eyes. He said, "Mother, you live alone. I don't want you to live alone. Every day I think of you. Every day I worry. Lily also worries. She says, 'How can your mother live in this old house all by herself?' We want to take care of you. We want you to live with us." I held the cup in my hand. My fingers shook. I said slowly, "This is my home. I was born here. I grew up here. I got married here. Your father lived here. I cannot leave this house." James held my hand. His eyes were wet. He said, "Mother, please, don't say no. You are getting old. This house is very old. It is not safe for you anymore. In the US, you will have everything. You will have your own room. You can see the children every day. They will love you. Lily will be happy. Please, Mother, come with me." I looked at him. My heart was heavy, but he was my only son. I said, "If you want this, I will come." The next days were busy. James spoke to people. He said, "Mother, we will sell this house. You don't need it anymore." My chest tightened, but I nodded. When the papers came, my hands were shaking. I signed them. I touched the door one last time. I whispered, "Goodbye." We left for the US. The flight was long. I looked out of the window. The land below looked far away. My heart was broken, but James smiled. He said, "Mother, you will see. You will love it there." At first it was good. The children hugged me. They called me grandma. They ran to me when they came from school. Lily smiled and said, "We are so happy you are here." I cooked food for them. I told stories to the children. For a few days my heart was warm. But slowly I began to notice small things. James was busy. He went to work early, came back late. He did not sit with me much. The children had their own lives. They watched television, they did homework, they played games, they smiled less at me. Lily also changed. In the beginning, she was sweet. She asked me if I needed anything. She talked kindly. But after some days, her voice grew colder. She did not look at me much. Sometimes when I entered the kitchen, she sighed. I felt like I was in the way. One night, I heard them speaking in the kitchen. Lily's voice was sharp. She said, "James, this is not working. Your mother is always here. She makes me uncomfortable. And Noah is too attached to her. He doesn't focus on school. He wants to sit with her all the time. I cannot handle this." James said nothing. I was standing near the door. I heard every word. My heart sank. The next morning, I was eating breakfast. James came and sat next to me. He looked serious. He said, "Mom, I need to talk to you." I looked at him. My hands were shaking. He said, "Mother, I love you, but Lily says she cannot care for you. And Noah, he is getting too attached to you. He does not focus on school. Family matters a lot. I cannot let this happen, so I have decided I will take you to a place, an old age home. Don't worry, Mother. It is a good place. You will be safe there. I will visit you once a month. You will understand, Mom. Please try to understand me." He touched my hand, but his eyes looked away. He said, "This is the best for everyone. Please." A week later, he drove me to the old age home. The building was big but cold. The walls were pale. Old women and men sat silently. Some looked out of the window. Some stared at the floor. My heart trembled. James carried my bag inside. He placed it on the bed. He hugged me quickly. He said, "I will come soon, Mother." Then he walked away. I watched him go. I wanted to call his name, but no voice came out. Now I live here. Every morning I sit by the window. I watch the trees outside. Every day I think maybe today James will come. Maybe today the children will visit me. But the days pass, the months pass. The room is silent. The door does not open. Still, I wait, because he is my son.